Singing in the rain.
I'm singing in the rain. Singing in the rain. Thumbelina. 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 Oh shoot, I'm getting wet.
Rachel, don't wander too far.
Oh shoot, I'm getting wet in the rain.
Don't get wet, because that's the only outfit I have. You're going back in that outfit.
I'm getting wet. Getting wet in the rain. Getting wet. Look at that beautiful tree. And everything is like rain.
Look into the camera, Ray. Can't see the... Oh, who wants to see the umbrella?
So sometimes I just sit on the deck and watch the rain. Whoa! Never mind. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
That was scary, wasn't it?
Bye bye. Go go.
Did you see the lightning? You saw it?
Oh, the horses are running out. That was scary. It looks like it was going towards the train. Are you still videotaping me?
Mm-hmm.
It looked like that lightning was, you know, going towards the tree and almost the tree fell down. That was scary. And the horses are running now. Over there, probably in the barn, where lightning could really hit them. Dad, I think the electricity's gone out. 1 second. Oh, we're lucky. We're lucky. Yeah! Dad, video.
Stop. It's just, you're running into the camera. Like, you can't see it. Whoa, that was close.
What? What? What
That was close, that lightning.
Where was the